Hey, it's Patrick, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Kraus EZ-Shift. Now we're going to be using a 2020 Road Glide, but they have a ton of these available all the way back through twin cam and a bunch of different models, and the install is going to be basically the same. And what this does is it increases the leverage on your shifter. So if you have problems, let's say finding neutral at slower speeds or in a parking lot, or you may be missing some shifts, this is really gonna help. Kraus claims up to 20% easier shifting. Of course, that is gonna be up to you and how that feels, but for under $100 in a few minutes of install time, this thing is really good bang for buck. It's just gonna install where your shift linkage attaches to the actual shift lever. Normally, I would tell you to look in the description for the tools, but we only need 3. 7/16 wrench, an 1/8" Allen, and a 3/16 Allen. Let's get to work. All right, to start with, we're gonna take our 7/16. There's a little nut right here that threads into this arm. We're just gonna back that off. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our set screw out, we're gonna put a little bit of Loctite on it, and then we're gonna run it back in. We're just gonna run it in so it's flush. We don't want it sticking through there. That way, we don't have to mess around with getting to that set screw and putting Loctite on it once it's installed. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our bolt that came with it, put a dab of Loctite on it. We're gonna slide our EZ-Shift over our shift arm to make sure it presses all the way on there. Take our 3/16 Allen and tighten this screw up. So now we're gonna take our shift linkage, dab of Loctite on there. We're gonna thread it into the top hole and tighten it up with our 7/16. This is aluminum, so you just wanna snug it up. You don't wanna get crazy and go gorilla arm on this because you will strip it out. The last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna come in with our 1/8" Allen. We're gonna tighten our set screw up. Bam, that's it. Bam, really straightforward install. Just a few minutes there. You can do this probably in 5 or 10 minutes in your garage. You don't have to have a lift. You can do this on the floor. And it really is a great upgrade. Good bang for buck. I can tell just by shifting this bike here on the lift and finding neutral, it helps a ton. So for under $100, kind of a slam dunk. And it takes an ugly part on your stock bike, puts a pretty cool billet cover on there. If you're looking for more information on this product, feel free to click that info tab on your desktop or mobile device. That'll take you to the product detail page where you can read other writers' reviews and see more specs about this Kraus EZ-Shift. If you're still looking for more information, feel free to reach out to our customer service team. They would love to talk to you about what works best for you, your motorcycle, and your budget. I am Patrick. Thank you for watching. Now go work on those motorcycles.